Hello. Happy Saturday afternoon. This is Star-Studded Baskets and Berries, and today we are going to be doing some berries. I just wanted to practice a little bit. I had an idea. I want to do some like Winnie the Pooh berries. We're going to go ahead and get this started. And if this is the first time that you are coming to the channel, thank you. I hope you like what it is that I do today. And if you are returning, superb. I appreciate your support, and thank you for all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. I hope that you're getting something out of this. I sure am, because I really love doing these berries. I will get better with practice, but my customers don't complain so far. So with no further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. We have our chocolate melted. Our area is already clean. Strawberries have been cleaned as well. And then we also might do a few pretzel rods. I have an order coming up in a few weeks, and they want pretzel rods. So yeah, I need to get some videos going. Need to be on my craft here. So let's get going. We have about a half a dozen of the strawberries done. So I'm just gonna do a few pretzel rods, and I actually want to use a large glass here. Give me 1 second. Now we're gonna dip our other side. And these was more like a cookies and cream batter for you. Kind of puts you in the mind of some cereal, I guess. I'm almost done with these. And then I wanna, I'm probably gonna put some drizzle on a few. And then we have a few huge ones that we will dip as well. And I'm gonna start doing, challenge myself and do a little bit more. And then absolutely more consistency. I have been putting out more content. I'm trying to focus on that. But this is not going to be a long video. We are almost done, guys. Now we are going to dip. Now I'm just gonna do like halfway. Do a halfway. And I'm just gonna do about 6 of these. Oh, that's only a half a stick. I'm just gonna do like a half a dozen of these. Then we will likely just do a drizzle on these. Simple enough. Don't have to do a whole lot to these. then I want to go on this side since I have so much chocolate up this side of that. I don't want to get any unnecessary chocolate on our stick. And we have one more to do. Then we're just gonna drizzle a little bit and we'll be done. Alright, I'm gonna drizzle a couple of these strawberries here. And then we're gonna call it we're gonna say it's a wrap. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty. I'm just gonna grab a few. Dazzle. I'm gonna leave some of these plain without any of the sugar candy on it. And then in a few moments, I will be presenting this to you. And we're gonna pass on the Winnie the Pooh. I don't know if I'm there yet, but let me try. Let me try, because this is what I said I wanted to do. So let me try. So this is our Winnie. So let's see what our Pooh does. Kind of make it look like a beehive. Don't look too bad. Let's try another one. Let's see. That look actually looks better than the first one. Okay, so that means that I should get better. Let's try one more. Let's try this little one here. Let's see. Not so bad. Not so bad. Let me get this water back. I mean, my chocolate back a little warm here. All right, so we're just tabling our strawberries now. And when I'm finished with this, which will be momentarily, I will present them to you. Starfleet. And these are our Pooh berries and our pretzels rides, our freestyle Easter, and some drizzle. Star-studded berries. Until next time, guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video.